In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import fonts into InShot on Android. First, make sure you have the InShot app installed and updated to the latest version on your Android device. This helps avoid glitches and ensures all the font features are available. Go ahead and open InShot, and from the main screen, either start a new project or open an existing one, depending on where you want to use your custom fonts. Once your project is open, look for the text option in InShot. Typically, you'll tap on the text button. Then add any sample text so you can access the font controls. After adding text, you should see a toolbar where you can change the font style. This is where you'll later see your imported fonts appear, so remember this area. Now, to import fonts, you first need to have the font files on your device. Most fonts come as TTF or .otf files. You can download them from reputable font websites or from any font packs you've already collected. After downloading, make sure you know where the files are stored, usually in your Downloads folder or a specific fonts folder you've created. The next step is connecting those font files with InShot. Go back into the text editing area and look for an option like My Fonts or an import or plus icon within the font list. Tap that and your phone will open a file browser. Navigate to the folder where you saved your TTF or .otf files. Then select the font you want to import. InShot will add it to your custom fonts list automatically. After importing, you'll see your new font available alongside the default fonts. Tap the font name to apply it to your text. Take a moment to adjust the size, color, spacing, and alignment, so your text looks exactly how you want. Imported fonts work just like the built-in ones, so you can animate them, add backgrounds, and combine them with other effects. If a font doesn't appear or gives an error, double-check that the file is not corrupted and that it's in a supported format. Sometimes, closing and reopening InShot can help the app refresh and recognize new fonts. Once you're happy with how your text looks using your imported font, continue editing your video as normal, then export it in your preferred resolution. Your custom fonts will be baked into the final video, ready to share on social media or wherever you like. That's how you import fonts into InShot on Android and start giving your videos a more unique branded look.